OFW ka ba? Paulit-ulit mo rin ba sinasabi na sana kasama ko ng pamilya ko? Alam mo may paraan na para hindi mo na kailangang umalis ng bansa. But at the same time, make sure na kumikita ka pa rin habang kasama mo sila. By the way, this is video number 3 of 11 videos that I am posting today. So kung napanood mo to, baka eto talaga yung nakalaan para sa'yo. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure if you've heard, but kaya mo nang kumita kahit nasa bahay. And for only 999 pesos, pwede ka nang matuto ng social media management and marketing, may kasama pang internship. Hindi mo itong subukan habang nasa ibang bansa ka pa at pagkatapos kung mag-workout para sa'yo, edi pwede ka nang umuwi. Yes, makakauwi ka na for good. Hindi mo na kailangan ma-miss yung mga birthdays, graduation, or yung mga simpleng bonding time. If this is something that might interest you, punta ka lang sa profile ko, i-click mo lang tong link na to, click on GigHub, it will take you to the GigHub. Sa pinakang baba niya, nandyan yung free resources if you wanna check it out muna. But, if you wanna join the class na under live mentorship, click on 999 Social Media Management with Internship. So, after ka namin bigyan ng overview through onboarding kung ano nga ba yung freelancing, working from home, meron kang 2 araw na live class para matutunan kung ano nga bang ginagawa ng SMM. Right after that, may internship ka pa. And ladies and gentlemen, output-based to. So, hindi mo kailangang alalahanin kung ano yung schedule ng internship. Mag-fill out ka lang ng form, nandun na rin lahat ng information kung saan mo kailangan ipadala yung bayad. Limited slots, kaya huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Uwi na best. Magtrabaho tayo habang kasama ang pamilya. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!